Zach! Zach!
Hi, Zach.
Hi, baby!
Hi, Zach.
Hi! Hi!
Say hi, Mami G.
Zach, say hi to the
Please
vlog.
subscribe to our channel, guys.
Please subscribe to their channel. Zach! Oh, my baby! Oh, my baby! Hi guys, good morning. So I'm already driving on the way to my friend's house, Clarice. We haven't seen each other for like a long time now. It's like a month or two, I'm not sure. I think the last time I saw her when it was like we're celebrating her birthday. That was like January, which is like a month ago. Anyways, I'm on my way. It's 11 something now. It's gonna take me an hour away from It's gonna take an hour away from her house, so I wanna make sure that I'm early because we are going to eat lechon. We're going to, I think, Rockville. So it's like a Filipino store. We've been there before, and oh my god, I'm gonna vlog today because I haven't been vlogging lately. I mean, I did vlog when I went to like the work morning routine. I don't even think that's like a vlog, but oh my god, I didn't see that coming. See, that's why I have to wear glasses. But anyways, it's still pretty cold right now. It's like 46 degrees. I mean, there is sun, but it's pretty much cold. I think it's because of like the wind. So I'm going there, and then I told her that if we can like go shopping after, because I do need a spring clothes. I'm still wearing like my basic black long sleeve from Forever 21, and we're going shopping after, so I'm really excited about that because I do need spring clothes and, you know, summer clothes because spring is almost here. I believe next month is spring, I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm really excited about the spring. So I will talk to you guys later because I'm just gonna listen to my music, and yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later. Bye. Here's our food. Hi, Be. We're at Kuya Ja. We're gonna eat some lechon. Hi guys, so we're here at Forever 21. We literally just went to Gucci, but anyways, I want to try this black, I don't know, like blazer top, and I got the size large and medium because I want to try which one fits better. And then I have a mom jeans, and what else do I have here? And I have a couple like basic tops to wear. But anyways, this is my outfit for the day. Jeans are from Target. This is from Forever 21, and Zara for my heels. My bag is right there. But anyways, I'm gonna try them on and show it to you guys. So the gray one fits really good, but I don't know about this black blazer. They're actually cute, but you can literally see my boobs, like my nip slip. I'm gonna probably have a nip slip, but anyway, this is the second one. I don't know if I just want to keep it like this or put it like there. I don't know, but this is cute. It's very basic white. Perfect for spring. The spring is coming. Oh my god, I like the lighting here. Hello. But yeah, I really like this one. This one looks like I'm going to school, but it's cute. It's very I don't know, I like it, it's cute, but I think I'm gonna get this. It's just basic white top, so I'm gonna get these. I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna get this one. These shorts, like the basic shorts, I'm gonna give it to my friend Mariella. I got two, one for me and one for her. Hopefully it fits her. And I'm gonna try this basic. It's cute. I'm a size 7.5, so it's cute. Tapos ka na? Ayaw mo na? See you next month. Ang expensive mo kasi. So we went shopping and we didn't vlog that much. We just enjoyed shopping.
Let's take I-495
Yes.
north and I-270 north.
We're here at Gongcha. Milk tea is life. Here's my key. It is 5:27 p.m. and this is our last stop. Milk tea is life. Look at her, she got 7. Yep. Hey guys, so I literally just got back home from, you know, shopping with Clarice earlier. So anyways, I didn't really vlog while we were in the mall because we were just enjoying each other's company. So it's kind of like hard for me to vlog, and it's, you know, it's hard for her to vlog because we were I think we were at Zara, H&M, and Forever 21, and we also went to Coach, I believe, and we also went to the Bloomingdale's. Anyways, I will show you what I got from Bloomingdale's. I finally got myself the Chanel. This is the Coco Mademoiselle Chanel. I asked her like which one is better. I don't know what's the name of the other scent, but the other one was kind of strong, but this one is very light and actually like this better. So I got the 3.4 fluid ounce right here. So let me just open her really quick and show it to you guys. And we also went to Gongcha. That's like our favorite place to go. Every time we, you know, every time I hang out with her, we have to go to Gongcha because Kung Fu tea is good, but not, you know, Gongcha is kind of like better. That's just my opinion. But I got the dirty brown sugar oolong fresh milk tea, and she also got like the same thing. That's what I got. But anyways, this is the packaging. I really like it. So bougie. And oh, it smells so good. It smells so good and expensive. Oh my god. Ooh, look at that, you guys. It's so cute. I like the packaging. Oh my god. So this is the Coco Mademoiselle Chanel. Oh, it smells so good. This smells really good. So anyways, I've got this. Let me just take that out. I'm not gonna use this box anyways. Here, I also want to show you guys what I got from Dick's Sporting Goods because I was there Wednesday or Thursday. I think I was there after work. I stopped by there because, like I said, I don't know if I even tell you guys, but I've been going to the gym before going to work, and then I'm promised to at least go 3 times a week now, and I've been, you know, doing good lately, and before I've been go to work, I, you know, worked out. So hot girl summer, I'm coming here. I'm just kidding. But anyways, I went to the Dick's Sporting Goods because they were having sale as well. So I went there and stopped by, and I want to get like the leggings, like the Nike Pro leggings. So I got the Nike Pro Warm. This one is thicker than the tights, the regular tights. So this is in color gray here, and I will insert like a video of me trying on. I was using my phone actually, so I'm gonna insert it now. So this one costs $50 US dollars, the original price, and then I got it for 32.99 bucks right there. I got the size medium. Everything is medium, so it's really cute, you guys, and I can't wait to work out. And you know, I do have like the Reebok, and I have like the Adidas and Puma, but I want to try this and how it feels, and it actually, you know, feels like warm. And this one is the tight fit. So this is on sale. It's like 42. It's like much much pricier than the other one, the gray one. But this is $42.99, and the original price is $50. But this is the tight fit. And this is black. Right here, same one. This is Nike Pro, and it's black. And then I think last but not the least is I also got the Nike Pro Warm. top. This was $60, the original price, and I only paid 38.99 cents. This is the slim fit. There, slim fit. And let me just there you go. So I also tried this on as well, so you guys can see already in the video. And it's just like a, you know, good for workout clothes, or if I go run. I really do want to do like cardio, and also, you know, going back to the gym. So this is really good, especially it's still a little bit, you know, cold here. Maryland weather is confusing. It's like in the morning it's like 20-30 degrees, and in the middle of the day it's like 60, and then at night it's like 24-30. So you never know about this Maryland weather. But that's what I got from Dick's Sporting Goods right there. And geez, my overall total was 181.87 cents. The tax was like $6.90, so it's kind of high. I'm just gonna use this as a trash can. I'm just gonna like, but anyway guys, I think that's it for today's video. I do have the Forever 21 bag in my car. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog, or not. I'm gonna try to vlog tomorrow and show it to you guys. So because the clip was just a little bit, I don't know if this vlog is gonna be long, but anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow.